You just had that not too long ago, was it? Yeah. Okay, Live for Wild here at Farmageddon, and just happened to show up as Dirt Road Gun Show. In the background, just have to excuse the noise. But I won one of his contests, so I picked the box. Let's take a look at it. Open her up.
Oh, mercy.
You may or may not know
zombie
what that
ear.
is.
Never thought I'd be
That's
ready
the chunk of Deborah's head that many people wanted. That was from a video I made a long time ago where I blew
Deborah's head?
Yes, it's a thing that appears in a lot of the Ground Zero shooting videos. And people asked that I put it in there. I said, okay, if you want it. If you don't want it, I think I know somebody who might want it.
We might be able to work. Whoever wants that, you better start begging. You better start kissing some butt. So, some targets. This is an awesome movie. Bacon, man's #1 food. Silhouette target. Oh.
That's the most overlooked gun cleaning accessory a lot of people don't have. It's just canned air. I use that constantly to clean my guns.
These are, I use these all the time in Michigan. You got to have something on. Cabela's car. I got some points.
I couldn't ship ammo legally in the U.S. mail, so that was basically the ammo.
Rem oil.
That is the charger to that dash cam, which needs to be charged. So keep you on YouTube 24/7 when you're driving around in case some meteor strikes.
That is awesome. How do you know? My wife's favorite.
Might be melted from being in the car all day.
All right, guys, give me a second. If you can.
Get up for video.
Oh, sorry, man.
Also probably melted.
Iraq veteran 88. Them are cool. Kick it. Oh, pocket holster. Dude, really?
And that knife is actually
sweet.
a knife that I won from a 704 Tactical.
704 Tactical? Dude, thanks.
And I had so many knives, I was like, well, this one can just go in another giveaway. Your very own.
My own Beretta.
And ammo.
And comes with ammo. Dude, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Great channel. You guys got to check this guy out. Great guy. He's at Farmageddon. He's got to be great. So, all right. Thanks for watching.